In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use RedotPay's virtual card. So if I go to cards, you can see I have two of them. This one here is the physical one, and I also have the virtual one. Now I'm going to spend some money on the virtual card now on video, and I'm going to demonstrate it working. I've already funded my account, and I've made a video on that if you want to check it out. So let's go ahead and spend this cryptocurrency. So I've actually got Solana, USDT, and BTC in my RedotPay, and I'm going to spend it on the virtual card. If you want to sign up to RedotPay, there'll be a link in the description below. Go ahead and click on it and you'll get $5 for free. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click card, and here we can click view and get the details to this card. Now I obviously need a product to buy, so I'm going to buy this transformation diet plan for 20 Great British pounds. So we're going to click get transform 3.0 and we're going to go through the sales checkout process just like you would do. So you can enter in here, and I'm going to do this, your number or your email, and then here you need to enter in just the standard credit card details, right? Now we can get those by going to view, and then you can see the details. Now obviously I've blurred these out, but here I have my details, including the card number, the valid date, and the CVV, which I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste into the checkout now. Okay, so I've gone ahead and made that transaction. As you can see, it says transaction successful. Everything seems to be coming through. I'm getting all the emails, and I can go ahead and download my product. Here on RedotPay, you can see here what we've been charged. We've been charged by Scott VIP, which is a seller of that digital product. You can see it funded using BTC, Solana, USDT. And yeah, this is the transaction. I have the product and this has gone through. Now in my experience, everything always pretty much works with RedotPay. You can go ahead and sign up in the link in the description.